In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy story link on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app. Here we have some stories from my friends, and let's say I want to open up that story and now I want to share this story to someone via a link. To do that, all we have to do is just tap right here at these three dots, and that's where we can easily find copy link to share this story. I'm just going to tap right here once. It says copy to clipboard, so now we can open up any social media platform, any messenger to share this link with our friend, or we can just go to notes here. I'm just gonna create new note, and now I'm just gonna paste the URL I've just copied. And moreover, here not any part of this URL is necessary. Here you will find this question mark and all the symbols after this question mark, including the question mark, is not necessary, so we can easily remove it in that way. And after that we can copy the entire URL and then we can share it with someone. However, guys, here is one more thing I should mention about. Just please note that Facebook stories exist for 24 hours and after that they become available only to the author of the story. So even if you have shared a link to a story with someone else, you won't be able to open it up after 24 hours has passed. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.